Welcome to another Cara Co tutorial. Today we're going to make beadable pens. All of the supplies you need to make your own are on our website, including 2 different types of pens and refills you need for them. So let's get started. To make your own customized beadable pen, you will first need to choose between our plastic and metal beadable pens. Each pen comes with a ballpoint pen end and a thin bar with a cap. Making your own pen is easy and the instructions are the same for both plastic and metal pens. First, twist off the end cap at the top of your pen. With your cap removed, slide the beads on you have chosen for your design. Keep in mind that the bar fills up quickly with beads. You can head to our beadable pen written tutorial on our website for more information on how many beads fit and what sizes are best. After you've decided on your beads, screw back on your end cap until the bar threading is no longer visible. And that's it. It's the easiest mess-free craft you've ever done. We love adding our character, focal beads, and silicone print beads to these pens to make unique designs. They're the perfect gift for party favors, teacher gifts, wedding parties, stocking stuffers, and so much more. Should the ink run dry on your metal beadable pen, it's simple to replace. You can purchase ink refills on our website for the beadable pen you're using. On the writing end of your pen, hold the metal middle section. This part twists your pen tip in and out. Pull on the tapered side near the tip and your 2 pieces should come apart. No need to twist, just pull. Holding your tapered pen tip end, twist the small black end opposite the writing tip. This releases the ink and the pen tip. Looking for a helpful tip? If your pen tip is out in the writing position, it will be hard to grab the black twisting end to fill up your ink. Make sure that you have your pen tip retracted so that the black twisting end sticks out enough for you to grab. Slide your new refill into the pen and twist it in to secure. Push your writing end back into the main body of your pen. Should the ink run dry on your plastic beadable pen, you can also replace the ink with our plastic pen refills. To refill the ink on your plastic pen, simply unscrew the writing tip on the tapered end of your pen. Carefully remove the metal coil and set it aside. Pull the empty ink refill straight out. Replace it with a new ink refill. Push your metal coil back and rescrew your tapered end. We hope you love these metal and plastic beadable pens as much as we do. Shop them now on our website at carasupply.com. Make sure you check out more of our videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel, and happy crafting!